Everyone, I hope that you are good wherever you are. Please subscribe to this channel. Please watch this video till the end. I'm still gonna be analyzing this pair and giving you a full feedback. Like, I've posted a number of videos about USDJPY since the beginning of last year. So guys, this is a big feedback on what's going on and what's happening. Guys, we have heard about the sad news, the war in Ukraine, Russia's invasion on Ukraine, and that it has actually killed many people. Many civilians have died in Ukraine. Many buildings have been destroyed, and now there's been a threat that Russia wanna use chemical weapons, in Ukraine to fight the war. So NATO allies didn't actually intervene a lot, because if they are to intervene, they are to fight in Ukraine, to fight Russia in Ukraine. That will result in a World War III. So guys, please watch out. I will be posting videos on this issue and how it has been, how it is costing us a lot. So again, we've heard Joe Biden saying that America is actually building closer relationship with its partners to produce oil amid the global supply shocks. So that means that America, it just wanna be independent in terms of energy, because prices of energy have been rising, the cost of living has been rising, things like that. And we have heard again that Joe Biden has imposed a higher tax on large corporations. So meaning that big companies have to pay a very high amount of tax. So guys, please watch out on that one. I'm gonna be releasing a couple of videos on the Russian war against the Ukraine and its impact on global community. So guys, now let me just go and analyze USDJPY and give you my full view. As you can see on the picture, I've actually forecasted it in the beginning of 2021 when Joe Biden was elected as the president of America. And look guys, what's happening. There we go guys, there we go. I'm gonna just look at it on a monthly time frame. This is our zone. This is our very important zone. As you can see, as price has respected this zone a couple of times. It has been bouncing around that zone. It has been breaking that zone, going down and going up. It has been respecting. As you can see guys, you do see that's where price is. That's where price breaks. The zone has been respected by the market. Then what's our next zone? There we have our next zone. Guys, believe it or not, this is a zone. This zone is very important. Why do I say it's very important? Why do I say it's very important, guys? Because the market has been respecting that zone, the market has been like respecting that zone. The market has actually bounced over that zone. It has touched that zone a couple of times. It has touched that zone a couple of times, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. You know, it has been like bouncing around that zone. It has been creating some sort of a pattern around that zone. So now let's look at another. Hey, there we go. That's our lowest point on the market. That's our lowest point in the market. So that's where the market actually turned. That's where the market has actually turned. That was in 2011 when the market reversed. The market reversed in 2011. So now, as you can see, guys, this pattern, like it looks like let me just do this. That's our drop. The market is dropping. I just want to make it look so formal that you can actually recognize the pattern on your own. Let's go, guys. Here we go. 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 Let me just do this. Here we go. Yeah. Let's just do this. I'm actually drawing these trend lines here because that's the movement, actually the movement of the market over time. So I just want you to clearly see what was actually happening in overall, you know, the overall direction in terms of trend lines, because we kind of make conclusions. We make conclusions based on the movement of the market, based on the movement of the market. So here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm finishing up, guys. I'm actually finishing it up. Let's do this. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm actually gonna be sharing like good things, you know, some good things, big good things, good stuff. So guys, here we go. That's what we have. That's what we have. So the red trend line is a drop, and the blue trend line is a hike. Actually, it means that the market is actually going up, and the red one means the market is actually going down. So what kind of a pattern exactly do we see here? What kind of a pattern do we see, guys? We see such a beautiful pattern actually forming over time. It has been like forming over time since 2000, since the beginning, the beginning of 2000. Yeah, since the beginning of 2000. So right now it's 2022, and you know, the market is actually talking to us, you know. Guys, I'm just gonna give that conclusion again, that you know, we are seeing this pattern, and you know, the conclusion is just like this. The conclusion is that USDJPY is actually still gonna continue going up, you know, for a couple of months or even years, maybe 2 3 years. So as you can see, this is a pure clear and visible head and shoulders, guys. This is a pure clear visible reverse head and shoulders, and it's according to me, it's a it's gonna be a good investment actually, if you just do a good thing and buy USDJPY and hold it for years, if that's possible. At the end you will be great, you know, you'll earn a lot, you know, you'll make enough, guys. Please be aware that this is